Hi guys, today I would like to talk about these headlights, the new LED headlights, the project that I'm working on at the moment. It's a part of the bigger project, and basically this video is about the difference between the stock light and the brand new LED light, how it works, how to plug it in, and also a little bit extra for the European and Australian models, how to do the wiring and what you can expect from this change. Before we will start, big shout out to the Slingmods.com aftermarket website for the slingshots, but more importantly, aftermarket website for all the Spyders out there, the old ones, the new ones, RT, F3, ST, whatever. So have a look. Product link is in the description as well, just general link to their website. Important thing, this is an honest review. I'm not buying the product. I'm really telling you my experience and why I'm doing this. So in case you like it, just have a look. Before I will really start, last big thanks to my friend Daniel. Daniel, without you, I'll be not able to do all the wirings, all the extra wirings I needed. So thank you very much, buddy. The product comes in a pair, of course, and it's a plug and play option, basically. This is the standard headlight, really a yellowish color when it's on. This is the LED light. This is how it looks like. And basically it's really nice white cold color. That was something that I was searching for a long time to put it on the bike, because I have the signature light kit, I have the brand new fog lights that are running as a daylight here in Europe, and they are all white. And these headlights also, you guys in America, you have this as fog lights. We in Europe, we have it as a running daylight because of some regulations. But also what I wanted to do is to put a daylights in here, because everything is already in there in the European and Australian model. We are just missing one pin, but I'll talk about this a little bit later. So I'll did all these modifications. For you guys in America, it's simply plug and play. For us in Europe and Australia, it's also plug and play in case you would like to run it only as a high beam. In case you would like to run it as a daylight as well, then you need to do some small modifications, but I'll tell it to you in a second. So how to change it? Basically, you need to just get rid of this. You don't need to get rid of all other parts. You just need to get rid of the top part, and you need to be able to go under this plastic. How to do that? You need to remove your shield, whatever shield you are running. I'm just running the spoiler. You need to unscrew 3 screws there. Everything is quite simple. You need to also undo the front nose, basically 2 screws on the bottom, whatever. This is quite simple. The tricky part comes with the dashboard. You might be able to remove the dashboard. I'm not really sure. At the moment I'm running it on the top, because when I'm starting the bike, the dashboard needs to be connected. There is no error message for me when I unplug the dashboard, so you don't have to be worried about that. The tricky part comes when you would like to remove the cover. Still the cover, it's connected, it's not completely removed. Just be careful. There are 2 major cables running on the side. They are stuck to the cover, and you might break the holders. It's not really a big deal. Just be aware of it. I think it's hold somewhere over here and over here. So it will be a little bit difficult. That's something that will really hold your bike, hold the cover together. Once you undo that, it's really a simple job. All you need to do is remove these rubber covers, and then it's, as I said, remove the light, plug and play, 3-pin option, plug and play, and you there. I will not talk about this for a European model, as this is part of the other video. If it's already there, it's ready. If not, I'm working on it. How I was able to run the headlights also as a daylight, not only as a high beam in Europe. The only thing what you're actually missing, when you will unplug that cable, you will have a 3-pin in there. But in Europe, we will have only 2 plugs, and the power for a daylight, or I don't know how to call it, I'm office plugged and I don't know, but it's missing. So you need to bring a power to this top pin. How I did it? Because I'm running the daylights, LED daylights here, they require only 1 power source. So I keep that one on the right. So to the one headlight, I'm taking the power, one cable from the side panel. There is one cable with the power. All I need to do is put it together and bring it to the top pin of the light. I will use duct tape, electrician duct tape, to secure everything, heat it up and stuff like that, so don't worry about that. And you see only 2 pins because one has been removed. There is another option, and actually that's what I'm doing for the other headlight, because I don't want to have the both headlights be running on one cable on one source only. So in the back under the passenger seat, it's good for you also in America, there is an extra, you know, socket for a power option. So I took the cable all the way up from there to the headlight over here to the 3rd pin, one cable only. Don't worry to try the cables apart from the black one. I haven't tried the black one, but there are 3 cables there. One of them will do nothing. The second one will light your bike. So now let's have a look how it works, and you will see the difference, hopefully. Guys, this is pretty much it. It's a really simple job to do, even for the office plankton like me. In the US, super easy. As I said, in Europe or Australia, in case you need some modifications, a little bit tricky. And in case you will have any questions, just write me into the comments. More videos are coming, more customizations during this winter time. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and remember, always have fun.